gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you missed the last video, I picked up my E63 from VF fresh with a new tune. Watch that video to figure out the power numbers, but it is making quite a bit. We're gonna pull this out of the way. Today, we've got James. He's riding shotgun in the Lamborghini, and we're doing a little Lamborghini rally with some other YouTubers as well. Let's roll. But before we head out, I wanna give a special thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Audible. I'm very excited about this because I personally have been using Audible for years on long drive. I'll be honest, I don't really like reading, but I do love learning, and that's what makes audiobooks so awesome. Let's say you're stuck in traffic on the 405 or you're going for a long road trip. All you do is pop on that audiobook and you can listen and no longer be bored when you're in the car. Audible has an incredible selection of audiobooks, news, comedy, and more. I've been listening to this book called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, a story about a lawyer who became very successful, a lot of money, bought a Ferrari, and realized that none of that actually equates to happiness. I very much recommend it. Whenever I'm commuting to a review, I just sit back and listen. You can even change the playback speed. Sometimes I like to speed it up because I'm really impatient. And also, Audible tracks where you left off in the book. So if you're using it on your phone and then you come home and switch to your tablet, it knows exactly where you are. The cool part is Audible is giving any one of you subscribers a free audiobook, any single one you want, with a 30-day trial membership. All you have to do is go to audible.com/VV or text VV to 500-500, browse the unmatched selection of books, download one for free, and start listening. It's seriously that easy, guys. Go to audible.com/VV or text VV to 500-500 to get started today. Let's head out. All right, Allie. Let's go ahead and fire you up. I have missed this car so much. I know I had the tuned C63 for a while, but something about this E-Class just speaks to me in ways the C doesn't. Like that. Can you guys hear that? Oh, some remnants on the car from the drifting yesterday. Probably got to get that off. See you later, Allie. What is up, Dave?
How's it going, guys?
Long time no see.
It's been a while. How are you?
I love this guy. It's good to see you. So we've got freaking Dave. We got Daily Driven Exotics. This is like one of the first times that my car has been together with your car. Oh my God, and we got a mirror here too. Rear wheel drive Murcielago, Camaro, a Performante in Verde Mantis, another R8, a girl in the vlog. We got the Verde Mantis supercharged Huracan. We got Verde Mantis headlights on this R8. And then ooh, that sounds good. And then a damn Verde Mantis Performante. Beautiful Porsche Turbo S. That is a gorgeous M3 color. I love the way that car looks. Same with this blue R8. It is such a beautiful day out today, a perfect day for a cruise with a bunch of supercars. How you hanging in there? Great. Great. He's saying we got to do a photo shoot with my car and that Verde Mantis Performante. That'd be hype. Oh, that Mercy is sick. Look at this group of cars right now, all parked together. This is absolutely epic. This Mercy is a manual. Well, I guess the cops are coming now because we're parked in front of a community and the people aren't so stoked about it. So it's time to roll out. I know Damon wants the cops to come though, because that's really the key to thumbnails. This is my idea of a fun Saturday drive with a whole bunch of Lamborghinis on some epic roads. That Murcielago sounds so ridiculous. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Those flames are insane! Oh! That is so cool! Oh! Oh, that car. Pulled over on the side of the road at PCH. Unfortunately, we've had a couple of incidences The R8 that was with us got its windshield cracked. That's a big thing with rallies that people don't think about. And a really cool thing, and a reminder to myself that I need to clear wrap my windshield, is that when you're behind supercars with really wide sticky tires, they can kick up rocks. The Performante has a tiny bit of a pitted windshield. I've got rocks all over mine. This thing sounds absolutely ridiculous. Shoots the biggest flames I've ever seen. We're chilling out here. Might go grab some lunch. It is just such a magnificent day. Look at that. All three of these cars look so good together. James set up an improv photo shoot with the Mercy. Ooh, I bet you guys didn't see that one coming. Check this thing out. This is actually freaking ridiculous. That right there is a gluten-free edition Prius. James just said it's even more fruity than a stock Prius. It's got oranges on it. James is saying there's a BMW RV coming up.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that.
I haven't either.
Oh my God. Turbo diesel BMW van. That is actually crazy. I've never seen anything like that. I feel so bad. Paul wanted to do this Lambo run so badly. In fact, the Murcielago owner basically set the whole thing up for him. But Paul, being the good guy that he is, went shopping to get his girlfriend a gift, and with all the traffic in Southern California, he wasn't able to make it. We are headed back home now, so I can say goodbye because this is Paul and Sam's last day in the US. Well, the Brits are leaving. Finally, thank God. I'm just kidding.
That's awkward.
Did you have an amazing time?
Incredible time.
Unbelievable.
Thank you for letting us stay.
Of course.
I'm sorry I trashed your room.
Oh, I didn't know about that part. That's awkward. I'm sorry you missed out on the Murcielago today.
Oh, literally sat in so much traffic in a manual. It was not fun at all.
That's brutal. That's brutal.
Yeah.
As I told them, you guys are welcome anytime. So
Thank
hopefully
you.
we can have some more American, European collaborations
Hell
where
yeah.
we go to McDonald's and eat random food.
Yeah, we'll talk
and
about
he hates it.
Still
And then
we'll
talk
talk
about how much better Lamborghini is than Ferrari.
I'm leaving.
I'm actually so bummed those guys had to go. I had such an absolute blast hanging out with Supercars of London and Seen Through Glass, and I hope you guys enjoyed that collaboration content because it was certainly a ton of fun on our end. Guys, if you're watching, you gotta come back soon. Open invite whenever you want to hang out in Southern California and film some videos. Now, I've got some exciting news for you guys. For those of you who have been subscribed to the channel for a while, one, thank you so very much. You'll remember that I went to Pennsylvania to visit Street Speed 717 and the entire Pennsylvania YouTube crew, and I rented a Toyota Prius. But I didn't rent a Toyota Prius so that I could review it, so that I could be like, oh, the Prius is the best car ever. I rented it so I could take it down the drag strip at their YouTuber call-out event. I figured all of them had 1,000+ horsepower cars. I didn't stand a chance, so might as well bring a Prius. Salamandran was there too, and we raced on foot. I'm not sure why we decided to do that, because neither of us are good at running. That was difficult. Well, the awesome thing is they are hosting another call-out event this coming Sunday, April 29th. That's right, I am flying out to them April 29th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. They're hosting an event at Cecil County Dragway. It's a combination of a car show, a fan meet and greet, as well as a drag race. And there's gonna be some judging involved too. Now, there's more information in the description below. It's like youtubecallout.com, but I would love to see as many of you as possible that could come and attend. So that's Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Cecil County Dragway, April 29th. Tickets for spectators are super cheap. It's a little bit more if you want to put your actual car in the show, and then of course a little bit additional if you want to drag it on the drag. Oh boy, yep, I just realized something. Mike, why are you doing this to me, Mike? Well, I don't get a single dollar of profit from any of the ticket sales because I'm not really involved. I just want to see you guys at the event, and that's all right. I would love to see as many of you who can make it there because honestly, I want to meet the people who have made this channel so awesome. Now, I realize my merchandise site has been down. I'm working on getting a new supplier, but at this event, it is going to be the last opportunity for a while to get some Vehicle Virgins merchandise. I'm bringing a ton of boxes of merch to the drag strip so you guys can rock some awesome Vehicle Virgin swag. We've got hats, we've got shirts, license plate frames, there's a bunch of sweatshirts in there, a whole bunch of different things. Look, we even have fidget spinners. I know this fad is long gone. I didn't plan on selling these, I just had them in a box, but I figured I might as well bring them to the call out. We got black Ariana Mercedes editions, and then we also got Verde Mantis Ellie editions fidget spinners. So yeah, if you want some merchandise at the event, bring a little bit of extra cash, help support the channel. Let's go get these boxes shipped out, shall we? I feel like this isn't a good idea, but we'll see. Let's fire up that E63. Good morning, Allie. Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon. Good afternoon, Allie.
Once I get my rear tires fixed, I want to do another 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 run in the E63 to see what the performance statistics are like after the tune. I didn't run it 0 to 100 stock, which was definitely a bit of a mistake because it's traction limited and it's not gonna get all that much faster in the 0 to 60 standpoint, but it should be able to run high 10s in the quarter mile, which is similar to a stock Lamborghini Huracan or a Ferrari 488. Pretty nuts for a freaking sedan.
Damn, it is starting to get hot again, 85 degrees. I'm not gonna lie, I really wish that I could bring the tuned E63 to the call out event. I'm not sure which car I'm gonna be driving at the drag strip as of now, whether I'm gonna rent something that competes with the Prius like a Pontiac Aztec or a Nissan Leaf, or if I'm gonna borrow street speeds cars, but it would be cool to see what this thing can actually do in the quarter mile, especially that 60 foot time. If this could get down to a 1.6 or a 1.7 60 foot, which I believe it can with all-wheel drive, that would be pretty impressive. And I'm imagining trap speeds around the 129 to 132 range. I believe my best quarter mile run ever before the supercharger kit on the Huracan, when it was 100% stock, was a 10.7 at 132 miles an hour. If this car could run that quick, that would be epic. Here is something I'm very much not a fan of on this car. Listen to this. Yep, that unfortunately is my brakes. I need new pads and this car only has 4,000 miles on it. That's kind of a bummer. Look at that, pulled up to UPS to ship the merch and bam, that is a good looking M5. And yep, I drove all the way here without my wallet. That's pretty useless, time to head back.
2,000 years later.
And just like that, with a little bit of editing, we can pretend that that did not just take 45 minutes. Shipping is actually crazy, guys. That basically just costs as much as the merchandise is worth just to ship it to Pennsylvania. Well, I think this is a perfect place to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the epic Lamborghini content, and I hope to see each and every one of you at Cecil County Dragway, April 29th in Maryland. Peace.